On April 26, 1986, the Chernobyl nuclear power plant in Soviet Ukraine, a cornerstone of the USSR's atomic program near Pripyat, became the epicenter of a catastrophe that shattered a reactor and hastened an empire's fall. Its 4 RBMK reactors, designed to churn out vast power, hit a deadly flaw, a positive void coefficient that amplified reactions as coolant turned to steam. During a late-night safety test on Reactor 4, meant to simulate a blackout, a cascade of errors and design flaws unleashed disaster. Delayed by grid demands, the test began with the reactor crippled by xenon poisoning, stifling reactivity. Operators, pressured by Deputy Chief Engineer Anatoly Dyatlov, withdrew nearly all 211 control rods, defying safety rules and destabilizing the core at 7% power. With the emergency cooling system disabled, they started the turbine rundown at 1:23 a.m. and hit the AZ-5 scram button to shut down the reactor. Instead, graphite-tipped control rods, a cost-cutting flaw, spiked reactivity, triggering a power surge tenfold. Water flashed to steam, pressure surged, and a hydrogen explosion obliterated the 2,000-ton reactor lid, rupturing fuel channels and spewing graphite. A second blast collapsed the building, igniting fires. The 190-ton uranium core melted into corium, nearly breaching groundwater and risking a massive steam explosion. Chaos erupted in the control room as operators, unaware of the core's fate, sent workers into radiation levels of 300 sieverts per hour, lethal in minutes. Pripyat's firefighters, unprotected, battled blazes as cesium-137 and iodine-131 spread, contaminating Belarus and beyond. The graphite fire released fallout matching 400 Hiroshima bombs. 2 workers died instantly, 28 more from acute radiation syndrome. Over 600,000 liquidators fought to contain the disaster, building a concrete sarcophagus while other reactors ran, inhaling toxic air. Chernobyl exposed the Soviet system's rot, rushed designs, silenced workers, and leaders who hid the truth for 18 hours until Swedish alarms forced Gorbachev's admission. The 18 billion ruble cleanup crippled the economy, while 116,000 square kilometers and 6,000 thyroid cancers scarred Belarus. Glasnost truths about the cover-up eroded trust, accelerating the USSR's 1991 collapse. Today, the $2.1 billion new safe confinement stands over Pripyat's ruins, a testament to a system that crumbled when its reactor did.